Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. The strange but common notion that we're the wrong type to lead prosperous lives is a barrier to prosperity. This essentially boils down to a general attitude toward ourselves that labels us as misfits. Those who follow a spiritual path frequently behave in this way. I once faced this obstacle and have since realized it is entirely unimportant. Eccentric millionaires are fantastic illustrations of how one's individuality need not stand in the way of success. The wildcat oil men in Texas around the turn of the century are remembered as the quintessential rebels. They got rich quick. Regrettably, there may be people along the path who want you to feel your originality has diminished you. Seldom are these the ones who truly own any authority, although they would dearly love for you to believe that they did. Depending on how I'm feeling, I either ignore them or treat them with sympathy for their envy. You're here to show off your unique personality. Reading about the truly wealthy will reveal that they all shared one trait. They had faith in their ideas, regardless of what other people thought. Rarely do you read about a success story where the successful person worked from 9 to 5, adhered to all the rules, wore the conformity uniform, and always went along with the crowd. It might also make you stand out if your goal is to merely be comfortable, rather than wealthy. Some of the nonconformists I know are incredibly talented in things they don't really care about. I've been informed that I would make a fantastic and successful salesperson. Yuck. You must first fully comprehend who you are and what you need, and only then can you stand your ground. You should have whatever it is that you genuinely know you want. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.